Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of St. John, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus, and the one who is credited with having written the fourth gospel. The story of John is one that is especially important for us because of the position, the relationship that he had with Jesus. He is referred to throughout the Gospel of John as the beloved disciple. He plays a special role at the Last Supper. He plays a very important role at the foot of the cross when Jesus gives his mother over to John's care. And he has an important role to play at the resurrection, as a witness to the resurrection. And so what we can learn from St. John are many things. We can learn a lot from reading his gospel about the special role that he gives to Jesus as God's divine agent, sent from God and then who returns back to God. But I think what's of greater importance for us today is simply to see the great love between John and Jesus. It's a tremendous example of Christian love, and it's something that we can imitate in our own lives, that we can have the kind of love that allows us to be friends to those to whom we are friends, the kind of love that is expansive in the world. John would go from being an apostle to being someone who preached the gospel and then wrote about the good news, who proclaimed the good news. And so as we reflect on St. John today, I ask that we reflect on the quality of our love for the people in our lives, and also to reflect on the quality of our love for Christ. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.